What are snippet expansion tools?
Snippet expansion tools help you write code faster by automatically expanding short keywords into longer pieces of code. In web development, tools like Emmet turn shortcuts into complete HTML or CSS structures. This boosts productivity, reduces errors, and saves time when creating repetitive code content.
How Emmet works.
Emmet uses abbreviation syntax, short, easy-to-remember codes. For example, typing div.container ul-li3 and expanding it creates a container div with an unordered list and 3 list items. This process turns simple text abbreviations into fully written code, making web development tasks much quicker and more efficient.
Installing Emmet.
To use Emmet, install it as a plugin or extension in your code editor. Popular editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom often come with Emmet pre-installed or available in their extension marketplaces. Once installed, you can immediately start using Emmet's abbreviation and expansion features while coding.
Using Emmet for HTML and CSS.
When editing HTML or CSS files, type an Emmet abbreviation and press the expansion shortcut, usually the Tab key. Emmet can create entire elements, nested structures, and even apply CSS classes or IDs in seconds. This makes writing markup and styling code much more efficient for web developers at any skill level.
Tips for getting the most out of snippet tools.
Practice common abbreviations to become faster with tools like Emmet. Explore customization options, such as creating your own snippets for frequently used code. Take advantage of built-in documentation and cheat sheets to learn advanced features. Over time, snippet expansion will become an essential, time-saving part of your web development workflow.